Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's review the Node Snap. At the command line, type O-Snap. This opens up the drafting settings. Please click the Object Snap tab. Here we have Node selected. Let's take a look at the description. Snaps to a point, object, dimension definition point, or dimension text origin. Okay, let's take a look. Let's press OK to exit. Okay, so a node is essentially a point. Let's place some points on the screen. PO enter for point. So now I have 3 points on the screen. And we're going to draw a line, L enter for line, and snap to these points here. So there goes our node snaps. Let's try placing a text. At the command line, type text, and we're going to specify the location, and we're just going to write anything. We're just going to write sample. Okay. So now let's see if we can find the node on this text. So I have the line command selected, but I don't see a node snap. Okay, so let's select this. Notice we have a blue grip down here. Let's change the justification to, let's say, center. Now we see a blue grip at the center and also the same grip here. Let's see if we use the line command, if we're able to pick up this node here, and we are. Okay, we're able to snap to this point here by changing the justification of this text. Okay, so what if we change or convert this text to a multi-text? Convert to mtext. Let's see what we have here. So we still have this node here. Now we have one up here. Looks like we have a node on all 4 corners. If you select this text here, you'll notice that it's located at these grips here. If for any reason you ever needed to snap to that, that is how you would do it. Now let's take a look at dimension. Let's place a quick dimension. Let's zoom in, and line command to snap to the node. So we have one on this side. We do not have one on this side here, but we do have one at the bottom of these dots here on the bottom. Also at the middle here is a node. Let's try to move the text to see what happens. So let's move text only. Now let's test to see where our node is, and it's actually following the center of this text on a dimension line. So if for any reason you guys need to snap to these points on a dimension or a text, well, now you can use the Node Snap. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.